video, we're going to review the analysis and reporting functions for Saveris 2. First, you're going to want to log into your Saveris 2 data logger and your Saveris 2 dashboard. Upon logging into your Saveris 2 dashboard, we're going to be focusing on the analysis and reporting functions. When you click on analysis and reporting, you'll see data analysis and automatic reports. We're going to start with data analysis first. Upon opening up to the analysis and reporting area, you're going to see that we have all of our data loggers, all of our areas, and all of our measuring point groups listed. I have my Philadelphia campus, which is my area, Laboratory 1, which is my measuring point group, and then I have my measuring points within the measuring point group of Laboratory 1. So you'll see that I can check and uncheck as many loggers as I want in order to overlap them and view all the data in one, or if I want to, I can just narrow in on one particular data logger. You'll also see here that we have quick tabs, which allow you to see the last hour of data, the last 12 hours of data, last day, last week, last month, or last year, or you can have a filtered view also. You also see that we have our calendar view here at the top, which allows us to basically pick a static time range that we want to view, if we wanted to do that. So if we have our last week here, at any point, we can then look at it in a table view or an alarm view to narrow in on when we had active alarms. Our table view will also, if there was any alarm values, display the text of the temperature here in red for an alarm that went over your threshold, or blue for an alarm that went below your threshold if you have a lower alarm limit. Also, another thing to point out is if we had one data logger checked like this, or 2 or 3 or 4, or as many as you need, and you had a particular time frame and you wanted to export this, you could export this very easily into a PDF or CSV. When I hit PDF, you'll see my checked data logger that I had over there now shows up here. I select the criteria for the report, which I would typically select all of this because I want to view all of it. And then I can also have it sent via email to my users. When I generate that report, it will look like this. I'll put this on screen now. This is what the report would look like. You can see the graphical view at the top here, my upper alarm threshold at 42. So anytime temperature goes above 42, it will alarm me. You'll see the second page is alarm list, and you can see I have no active alarms. Third page is where I'll see more information related to the measuring point group. For the week, I'll see the lower and upper limits. So you can see that here, lower and upper limits for the week. And then I'll also see the mean, the min, and the max values for the week. You can see that there. And then it'll also display all the temperature values for that week. So you'll have that. The next thing I want to talk about is creating an automatic report. So the automatic report function is a nice function because it allows you to select what data loggers you want to view in your report. So if you just wanted to narrow in on one data logger and you wanted to call it your conditioning freezer 1 daily report, we could do conditioning freezer number 1 here, select that. How often do you want to view it? We want to view it on a daily basis. We want to see it in a PDF or CSV. We want to see it in a PDF, and we want to see all of our criteria. So the min, the max, any alarms. We want to see the table and the graph. And then we can have that sent to us via email. So you can see I have 2 users set up in my account here, my demo account, and we can check them off, and then we can create this automatic report, which will go out every day on a daily basis. The other thing to note is that all of my automatic reports will also be saved in the dashboard, in the cloud, in the system here, and you can access all of those through your automatic reports Reports tab, the drop-down menu, go to Automatic Reports, and then you'll see all of your automatic reports, which you can download at a click of a button. Now, if you